I had no idea what an API was.
I couldn't use my iPhone.
I did know what it was a little bit,
Not very.
but then during the Learn-A-Pon, I failed the quiz.
SmartBear has a playbook for you to like lay the groundwork.
They're not feeding you to the fire and you're just gonna figure it out when you get on the phone. There's role plays that happen.
Yeah, the mentor program was awesome.
The mentorship program's amazing. You get a friend like when you walk through the door.
We met weekly and I just have questions for her.
And management team, like really pushing everybody to be able to be successful.
I started here at the beginning of January and I got promoted early July.
In April of this past year, and I was promoted very, very end of August.
And I was promoted almost exactly 6 months on the dot there.
October of last year, and I got promoted, well, several times. So to senior SDR, then to account executive last May.
Everything I need is right here.
I mean, there's plenty of food.
I would say a lot of what gets me up in the mornings on Mondays is the bagels.
There's so many places here for lunch. So we got, some of my favorites are like Zoe Greek, Saboroso.
Best lamb chops you'll ever have.
And the awesome thing is there's a huge Trader Joe's right in Assembly Square. So I get my groceries there after work.
Assembly Row is a pretty easy place to get to. I find almost any direction you're coming from. And there's multiple methods to get here. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really know what I wanted to do.
If you have the willingness to learn and you can take advice, you'll definitely go a long way.
So there's so many different avenues for you to learn, so that if your learning techniques are different and you absorb differently, there's a way for you to definitely succeed 100%.
Everyone around me is willing to help, regardless if they're on my team and my manager or manager of a different product.
You get an experience where there's high reward with very low risk.
In between that, you talk with your peers and live your best life.